Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. We're going to be making some tamarind juice. Now this juice is so refreshing and healthy for you. In mine, I'm going to be using some ginger that I already extracted, some sugar for sweetener, and just the lime juice is just for garnish. Now tamarind normally comes like this. It has a white, hear me about white shell, it has a brown shell on it. Now you're going to open it and remove the pulp. You can use the pulp to make sauce, juice, pretty much anything, incorporate it in anything that you're doing, right? Alright, so to open it, you're going to do this. And you remove it. So easy. I had gone ahead and removed some of them earlier. So you want to use like about 2 cups of tamarind, right? Alright guys, so you want to remove the pulp from the seeds. So what we're going to do, we're going to use some warm water. And the amount of warm water that we're using is like about 3 cups, but when you start removing the pulp, you're going to add an additional 3 cups to it again, right? So we're just going to leave it for maybe an hour or 2 to soften up the pulps. That way it's easier to remove. Now guys, please do remember to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Share the video, subscribe to the channel, put on your post notification bell so you don't miss an episode, guys. And thank you so much for subscribing and even watching this video. Alright, so we're gonna leave it and then we come right back to it. So pretty much it's been about an hour. So now I'm going to strain it off. I did earlier with this one. Alright, so this is the second straining off that I'm going to do. You can just remove the pulp. Guys, did you know this is an anti-inflammatory drink? The fruit is anti-inflammatory and it's very good, very nutritious. It's also an antioxidant, right? And you can put this in the refrigerator for it to chill and you can enjoy it. Oh my gosh guys, this is so good. I can smell it. Doesn't it make you salivate? And who remember tamarind balls? Oh my god, every time I go to the store I just have to add in the ginger now and our sugar. You can use any sweetener you like, you know. I'm just going to be using this one, white sugar. I prefer you put it in the fridge to chill more than add ice cubes to it because it's just going to water it down, alright? And you can sweeten to your taste. There you have it guys, a nice big jug of tamarind juice. Tamarind is in season, so I do encourage you to get yourself some. You can make tamarind juice, you can make tamarind balls for the children. Thank you so much for watching this video guys. Until next time, bye.